Good morning, ICFSO friends. It's the Built team in Dallas. We hope everybody's doing well. What is the most surprising thing we've learned working from home? Well, telecommuting has turned some of our coworkers into big-time data wonks. And when they started watching the downloads of 3D interactive instructions, they noted some interesting spikes. Lots of us are spending time setting up home offices and workstations. This March, new users downloaded 25 times the number of last year's instruction sets for office chairs, desks, and bookshelves. And with the kids home all day, it's important we get these anchored to the wall right out of the box. DIY plumbing and electrical projects increased 27% from last year, but downloads for some subcategories are more than 10 times that. It looks like North America is finally discovering how to make the TP go farther. With fewer people commuting, some road warriors are tuning up their bikes. Maybe it's time to take off the training wheels. Downloads for repair and maintenance are up 82% for bicycles from last year. And with the parks and gyms and playgrounds closed, we're making our own fun in the backyard. Downloads for swing sets, trampolines, playhouses, basketball hoops, kayaks, and motorsports are up a whopping 91% this year. And it looks like we're setting these up ourselves instead of paying somebody else to do it. But the biggest gain in any category by far is for TV mounts and stands. Downloads are up more than 100 times from last March. And we have to make sure those are installed correctly before we begin binge watching so hard. The best news is, if you're not feeling super motivated, you're not alone. The one category that remains conspicuously steady at a modest 1% gain is the downloads of large indoor fitness equipment. There is nothing wrong with working in yoga pants. If you're intrigued by these numbers, check out our website. Stay safe out there.